Hello you guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is iRock and I have a special guest. Her name is Paris, and today we are doing a vision board. Today Paris is going to help me with my vision board. It is the middle of 2019, so I'm doing a vision board for the remainder of the year. So I have everything laid out right here because I have my helper with me. So I'm going to explain at the end of the video what and why I put the things on my board, and it will also help you guys too when you're doing your vision board. So today we have a magazine, and it has Lupita on the front of it, so that's like the main reason why I chose this magazine, but it's a lot of nice things in the magazine. I also cut out a few pieces. I printed out a few pieces and I cut them out of what I want on my vision board. And I have stickers. Got these from Walmart. And we have some gems, some little things to make it look a little bit nice. Your turn.
And you guys, we have some glue sticks.
We have some glue sticks. So those are the only things you need to make your vision board. Basically, you find a magazine that you like, that inspires you, or a magazine that calls out to you, and you can print out pictures. You can use whatever you want because it's your vision board. Okay, so we're gonna get right into it.
Now you guys, we're opening the glue.
Yep, open the glue, baby.
I can open the glue. So first we do this with the glue. So I'm going to take this. We need a thing to take off the glue. Oh, thanks. So I'm going to want glue. So let's open it now.
You can do this picture.
Okay.
Turn it over, baby, and you're gonna glue.
Okay. Turn it over and then you're gonna glue. We're done with the picture, so we have some sprinkles on it. Now, let's show it now.
Perfect, you did a good job. Done with our vision board, and I'm going to explain really quick what we have on it. I put dream big and believe. So I have all do, no don'ts, because for the rest of the 2019 there's going to be no more don'ts and all do's. Balance, real simple and different, money, an apartment building that I really liked a lot, my dream car, which is a Benz. I have some name brand items down here at the bottom, things I wish to purchase one day, like a Rolex, maybe go to Dior, Balenciaga, Kate Spade. Right here I have owned 100% of my life. For the rest of 2019 and the rest of all my years, I'm gonna own 100% of my life. I have a new day, empower. I have Lupita, a picture of her, because I mean, come on now, she's very empowering. She really made it, and she's a strong woman. I have Cardi B. You already know, she represents success for me. She represents someone that really made it from nothing into something, so that's completely amazing. I have embraced her imperfection, get the style, because honey, I'm all about style, so you know that's definitely like my thing. I have another house. It's a smart house. I have makeup. I love makeup, and I hope to actually do more on my channel with makeup. I put faith at the very bottom. So you gotta have faith. Like, no matter what you do, you have to have faith, and that's how you That's how you attract and prosper things, is if you gotta have faith first. I put beautiful, and I have this woman that is smiling because she's super happy, and I hope to be a lot more happier in the rest of 2019. I put impacts. I want to make a big impact on my life, others' lives, and my family life. Women on a mission. Okay, hello, we are on a mission. Travel. I would love to travel to Paris, of course, because my daughter's name is Paris. That's why I put Paris over here. And ideas at work. I want to get more creative. I want to do more ideas, better editing, and all that great stuff. So that was my vision board.
And you guys, we got my name. My name is Paris. That's my name.
Good job. Yeah, she knows how to spell her name. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please comment down below if you have any visions or any dreams or anything that you would love to accomplish for the rest of 2019. Go ahead and drop that down below. And wait, baby, I know you're excited. Give me a second. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked
my video,
if you like this video, go ahead and what do you want them to do if they like the video, baby?
I want you to comment below if you want to see our picture today or more.
And make sure to
subscribe the button.
Subscribe to my channel and give us a thumbs up.
And you guys.
So thank you so much for watching.
And you guys, I have a ponytail. Uh-oh, fell off.
Have a good day. Have a happy, successful, prosperous. I want you guys to attract everything you really desire for the rest of 2019. Wake up with a smile, and every day is a new day. Thank you. Have a good day.